Joe Jonas and Sophie Turner have recently been spotted wearing matching rings. It has sparked speculation that they are engaged. The Ring doorbell security system certainly adds to the speculation. People have been peeking in to see if the rumors are true. Sophie was seen wearing a stunning gold band around her finger, which was believed to be an engagement ring given by Joe. The images of Joe's ring have widely been circulated on social media websites. It looks to be a custom-made item with the couple's initials etched into it. It has been said that the security surveillance from the Ring doorbell was instrumental in catching the photos. It has been speculated that the couple used the system to capture the moment of their engagement to be shared with family and friends. Though the couple never officially commented on the engagement, the photos of Sophie's ring only fuel the rumor fire even more. The Ring doorbell security system can certainly capture a moment as grand and special as this one. It is very likely that the couple were personally monitoring the footage of the Ring doorbell while their special moment was being captured. This cloud-based video recording really speaks to the convenience of having a top-of-the-line security system. Having such an advanced security system can be beneficial for both young couples and seasoned homeowners. The new generation would certainly benefit from the reliability of the doorbell system. With some applications like Ring, homeowners even have the ability to communicate with anyone at their doorstep. This advanced technology is certainly an indication of Joe and Sophie's true commitment. Having such a modern security system gives homeowners the confidence they need in a hostile world. It's not hard to guess the importance of Joe and Sophie's feelings for each other with the message this ring sends. From the looks of things, these two have long been preparing for such a momentous occasion. The Ring doorbell security system appears to have helped give way to the special moment of Joe and Sophie's engagement. It is quite possible that the surveillance from the Ring doorbell recorded the actual engagement. The photos of Joe and Sophie's rings were certainly taken at a very special and private moment. It is possible the couple kept a record of the special moment with the surveillance system's video recorder. Many believe the couple chose their Ring doorbell security system to protect a very special and private moment. The couple must have known the powerful imagery a doorbell provides of two lovers standing at their doorstep. With the video recording, the couple could likely have stored the special moment for further memory recall. The Ring application likely recorded the precise moment Joe and Sophie's lives were combined in holy matrimony.